Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile and post a snap to your public story on Snapchat. Let's jump right into it. Open Snapchat. The first thing you need to do is open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for your public profile. Once Snapchat is open, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your account details. Now, scroll down and look for the option that says Add to Spotlight. This will allow you to create a public profile so your content can reach a wider audience. Once you've set up your profile, it's time to create some content. Go ahead and take a picture or video that you'd like to share with your followers. After capturing your snap, tap the Send button and select My Public Story from the options. This will make your snap visible to everyone who views your public profile. And that's how you can create a public profile on Snapchat and start sharing snaps with a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.